Hey everybody, it's Mr. Warren here. We're going to be working out some example problems that are very similar to your homework in exercise 10.1. Now in 10.1, you have a bunch of points that are on a coordinate plane just like this, and your textbook is asking you to find the coordinates of each one of these points. Well, it's important to remember, first of all, that this coordinate plane is made up of two number lines. The one going to the left and to the right is the x-axis, and it is negative to the left and positive to the right. And this one going up and down is the y-axis, and this is positive going up and negative going down. All right, so every point on here is going to have two coordinates in an ordered pair, an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. And the x-coordinate measures how far to the left or to the right this point is, and the y-coordinate measures how far up or down from the origin the point is. Okay, so as an example, point A here. Let's find the coordinates. First of all, we're going to start at the origin, and we're going to count out to the right until we get to where A is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So point A has an x-coordinate of 5. Now, where do we need to go? Do we go up or down to get to A? We need to go up. 1, 2, 3. So since the y-axis is positive going upwards, its y-coordinate is 3. And this point, A, has the coordinates 5, 3. Okay, let's do a couple more. Let's do the point D, this point right here. How do I get there? You always start at the origin and start counting left or right first, because your x-coordinate comes first and your y-coordinate comes second. It's just a good idea to do that when you're first learning this. So let's go to the left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I had to go 4 to the left, which means that the x-coordinate for point D is going to be -4. Remember, the x-axis is negative to the left. Where do I need to go now? I need to go down 1, 2. Okay, so my y-coordinate is going to be -2 because the y-axis is negative going down. So point D here has coordinates -4, -2. Okay, next one. Well, let's take a look at point G. Now, point G is, we don't have to go to the left or right, which means that its x-coordinate, G's x-coordinate, is going to be 0. I don't have to move to the left or the right. I do have to go up 1, 2, 3, though, so my y-coordinate is a +3. Remember, y is positive going up and negative going down. Let's do a couple more. H would be another good one to do. So first of all, always start at the origin. Let's count over to H. 1, 2, 3, 4 over. So I know that the x-coordinate for H is 4 to the right. That's +4. Now I don't have to go up or down. This is on the x-axis. So the y-coordinate is 0. So the coordinates for point H would be 4, 0. One more. We'll do E. Starting at the origin. Always start at the origin. Count over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then I have to go down. 1, 2, 3. 6 to the right, that's +6. Down 3, that's -3. So our coordinates for point E, 6, -3. Now, eventually, you'll be able to just look at this. Like, let's say I look at point B. Oh, I'm just going to look. That's -5, 3. I'm just looking, right? You don't have to count the whole time. You just kind of see where these two things intersect. And that's how you find your point. In the beginning, though, you might want to count. All right, that is our first example. That will answer all your questions from actually 1, 2, and 3. Remember always that the x-coordinate comes first and the y-coordinate comes second. So some of the questions will ask you, what's the x-coordinate of, for example, C? Well, you just need to find out where it is on the x-axis. It would be -7. All right, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments of this video or on Classroom. All right, thanks.